Welcome back to Feature Friday. Today we are going to be interviewing yet another one of our amazing employees here at Henderson's lineup in SuperSteer. So let's go find her. Thank you for joining us today, Heather. How are you?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm doing wonderful. Are you ready for your interrogation?
Sure.
Yeah. Okay, so what is your role here at Henderson's lineup in SuperSteer, and how long have you worked here?
I have been here for 7 years. I have done multiple positions for the company since I've been hired. But currently, I am their human resources and payroll.
Okay.
And then I also help our service department manager on the behind the scenes with their shop management program.
Okay. What inspired you to switch and pursue the career in HR?
Personality fits it.
Yes. Yeah.
I really enjoy helping people grow and succeed in the career path that they have chosen or would like to choose, even if it isn't with Henderson's lineup or SuperSteer or, the careers that we have here, if it's something outside, but just watching them grow in that and helping them pursue those dreams.
Okay.
So,
Yeah, that's
yeah.
wonderful.
Yeah.
I love that. Well, what's your favorite part about your job?
The staff.
Yeah.
Oh,
100%. Yeah.
100%. Staff is my number one priority, making sure that they're happy, they're taken care of. And that includes, CEO to technicians to salespeople and everybody in between. So just making sure that, if there's an issue that we take care of it right away and
Yeah.
hopefully get a happy result.
What is one thing you do every morning to prepare yourself for a successful day?
For me is first thing is coffee and quiet time. Right now with our new puppy, so he's not too much of a puppy anymore, but just quiet time, drink coffee, petting him, and starting his day as well. So yeah.
If money didn't matter, what would be your RV of choice, and where would be the first place you'd go?
Oh goodness. RV of choice would definitely be an Airstream. Love the classic look. Where would we go? Well, if I could tow to Hawaii, that's where I would go.
Just ship it overseas. Pay the little bill. Okay, well, thank you again for starring in today's Feature Friday. We can't wait to see you all next Feature Friday. And to stay up to date on all of our videos, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. And until next time, we wish you safer and happier driving.